Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search icon. In the search bar type powercfg.cpl and click here to open it. It will open properties. Click on this option, select PCI Express, expand it, and then again expand this option. Normally off the settings, apply the changes and close this window. Again go to search bar and type cmd and as administrator, select as. Now type this command carefully. You will get all these commands in the description below. To avoid mistakes, you can just copy and paste these commands on command prompt window. Once done, open Task Manager, then select Windows Explorer and click on Restart. After that, close this window. Open Device Manager again and then expand Display Adapters. Right click here and select Update Drivers. Now just follow my screen. Select Next. Once done, close this window. Now click on Start icon and we need to restart our machine. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.